Welcome back to Space and K's YouTube channel. I'm really excited because I get the wonderful opportunity to unbox Charlotte Tilbury's beauty treasure chest. This bad boy costs £175. However, it's worth £264. So it's a pretty good deal if you ask me. And to be honest, look at this beautiful case. Like, I would just keep this afterwards. It's absolutely gorgeous. We have these beautiful diamante handles, and I don't know if you can see, but there's these beautiful iridescent patterns. I would buy that on its own, to be quite honest. But let's get stuck into it. What's inside? I cannot wait. So naturally, I'm going to go for the biggest one because I'm feeling greedy. What is inside? So here we have the Magic Hydration Revival. This is a beautiful cleanser that turns from a foam to a milk, and I've heard it's absolutely beautiful. It says here it's got hyaluronic acid and peptide and biomimetic complex. Let's see what's over here. Oh my goodness. Classic! We have the Pillow Talk. Even if you are quite there, I feel like this is just gorgeous. It's just so nice. It's such a wearable colour. This is what I would wear every day. Already it's a no-brainer. What's in here? Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. We've got this gorgeous lip gloss. I'm so pleased that it's a really nude colour as well. I don't know about you guys, but I naturally have really light lips, so I really like something like this that can just look really natural, but make my lips stand out a little bit more so they don't look like they're just blending into the rest of my skin. Alternatively, you can still pop this on top of a lipstick and have like a really impactful look. Let's have a little looky in here. This is actually one of my favourite all-time eyeliners. It's the Rock and Coal, but it's in a lovely brown shade. It's so close to black, but I feel like that's actually quite nice. It's really good for going out. It just looks a little bit softer, but these are so creamy and they really don't budge. So you can place them on the eyes, smudge them out, do whatever you want. You don't have a huge amount of time, but then they are set. They're going nowhere. I want to say you should start buying this now and start opening in November, but let's be honest, you do need to use this for the party season. If you open it too close to Christmas Day, then all the days are gone. Stars or hearts? Let's go chronological order. I love it. I need to stop huffing at everyone. This is Exaggerize. I don't know if you guys have used this or seen this before, but this is such an impactful mascara. It will give you length and really bold lashes within seconds, but also it's actually in glass, which I believe improves the performance of it. It's got that really old school kind of wand, but you'll notice it's slightly curved as well, which I love because then it really gets every little lash. You're not going to believe what's in here. I'll show you in a sec, but this is the cutest thing of all time. It's so cute. This is honestly the sweetest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. So this is such a perfect red as well. For those of you that feel a little bit worried about having a red lip, this is such a good way to go. It's a little bit warm, it's got a little touch of brown in there. It's perfect red lip when you don't want it to be sort of overdone or too much of a statement. Okay, next up, another big bad boy drawer. What have we got? It's gotta be Magic Cream, surely. Oof, okay. I'm sure most of you have tried this, but if you haven't, you have to try this. This is the most buttery, smooth formula. When you put it on your skin, it really does feel like a cushion. You can really understand why so many makeup artists wear this. It really just gives that instant hit to the skin where it'll look really smooth. It will just blur out any pores or imperfections. And then when you place your makeup on the top, it just glides on really easily. So this is an absolute must-have. Not just for the party season, just for life. So this is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. I love these. These highlighters give both a really beautiful luminosity. It almost looks slightly emollient on the cheeks, but it never will look glittery, so it doesn't really look fake or overdone. And this will really take you right through winter, giving you really nice party looks and glow, but they're also so nice in summer. I also really like to mix this with your foundation as well, so if you want that beautiful glow, maybe you're a matte girl and you want to try something new, you can add this, just squeeze a little bit on the back of your hand and mix it in with your foundation. It can do so many things. Okay, so now we're down to the bottom layer. I'm super sad because I feel like it's already coming to the end. Oh my gosh. Another teeny tiny. This is so sweet. This is the Magic Serum. We've had quite a lot of training with the Charlotte Tilbury team and some of the lead artists. And you know what? This is the product that every single one of them says is their favorite. And I've not tried it yet, but they said that they will use this on everybody. They'll use it on oily skin as a moisturizer. They will add it to the skin just to give a little bit of a gloss and a glide so that when you put your foundation on the top, everything just is beautiful. So they said that they get through bottles and bottles of this by the week. Okay, just 4 more to go. And we've got the classic, got the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is just a must-have. Everybody needs one of these. You can do a test with setting sprays, you know. If you take a loose glitter on the back of your hand and spray a setting spray, you can really see its budge-proof power. And this one really does withstand the test. Put a little bit of glitter on and rub your hand afterwards and it's going nowhere. You could stay and party all night long and your makeup is going to look perfection the whole way through. So this is another lip liner, a colour that is also not that classic red. So it's a slightly muted version of red and it pairs really nicely with that lipstick that we've got. And I think this is just so perfect for getting festive, feeling like you've got that classic red lip, but actually it's always bordering on a little bit nude. So it feels like really wearable. You can wear it in the day, you can wear it as a party look. So I think that's a really nice addition. And we have another beautiful little lipstick. So we've got a nude. I'm so pleased we've got a nude as well because I feel like that's everything that you need for the party season. You can see that the finish to this one is slightly different. It's got a little bit of a satin finish. It's a little bit more emollient and hydrating, which is kind of perfect. You've got yourself here kind of like a day lipstick and then your night lipstick. And you would want your day lipstick to be a little bit more hydrating. So it's, you know, keeping your lips feeling really plump and fresh, and then in the evening you can pop on that red. So I think it's been really well thought out, this advent calendar. You really have got all of the essentials you need for your daytime and your evening looks for the party season. And then last but not least, but not to get too excited, it's not a product, we do have this wonderful drawer at the top with lovely storage. I don't know about you guys, but I almost feel like I want this to be my jewellery box. Or you could put your brushes in there, you can even make it a beautiful chocolate box. So there is endless choices with this beautiful box. That is the beautiful treasure chest by Charlotte Tilbury. I hope you've enjoyed exploring what's inside, and I really hope that some of you can get your hands on it because I really feel this has everything we need for that party season.